Good day, everyone. In 2023, the worldwide market for cloud computing will grow by more than 20% to be worth almost 600 US billion dollars. This is not surprising. Done right, cloud computing offers organizations flexibility, scalability, economies of scale, and cost efficiency that on premises infrastructure finds it almost impossible to match. But this doesn't mean that companies can simply choose a cloud service, switch on, migrate, and expect the benefits to start piling up. To get the results they want and achieve the maximum return on cloud investment, companies must closely match the cloud services they buy to their current and future business goals. You must also understand how the cloud market is developing so they can get in ahead of the prevailing trends. Only in this way can they be sure that the cloud services they procure will be future proof enough to give them a competitive advantage over the longest term. So, what are the biggest trends in the cloud sector today? Here are the six trends we think that will dominate 2023. Number one, cloud will keep growing. As we've seen in Gartner's 2023 prediction, cloud is now out of the hype cycle and into the phase of mass adoption, in which its impact on entire sectors will be transformational. Driven by the flexibility and scalability that cloud offers, enterprises will continue their migration to the cloud, giving them a competitive advantage over their counterparts wedded to legacy platforms. Number two, the need to decarbonize will drive cloud adoption. With the right approach and the right expertise, moving on prem infrastructure to the cloud with suitable optimization and streamlining can reduce IT related emissions by up to 88%. But that's not all. By applying cloud based intelligence across the enterprise, you can find new opportunities to accelerate decarbonization in every area of activity. Trend number three, the talent crisis will intensify. Worldwide, in a recent survey, 70% of IT leaders say that the cloud skills shortage is a matter of concern, and 34% said the lack of talent has already impacted plans to launch new products and services. As the demand for cloud grows, faster than most markets are training new specialists, this talent gap can only widen. Trend number four, IoT will continue to drive cloud growth in 2023. Companies and other organizations will worldwide spend 1 trillion on installing IoT sensors in everything from factories to car engines. To turn the data these connected sensors gather into actionable insights, organizations must process and analyze it, offer it in real time. This means a mass demand for compute power, most of it in the cloud. Trend number five, the role of the CIO is evolving. The increased use of cloud computing puts the onus on CIOs to develop commercial, contractual, legal, and negotiating skills even more than has been in the case before. The modern CIO, even more than her predecessors, will evolve and elevate her role, taking on new functions and responsibilities. Those CIOs who do this most successfully will be the most effective. Number six, cost pressure will continue to increase. With many markets tipping into recession and consumers more price conscious than ever before, business conditions are tougher than they have been for a long time. This will intensify the pressure on CIOs to find savings and efficiencies. All these individual trends taken together point to one overarching trend, the cost, both literal and measured in metrics such as customer satisfaction, revenue, market share, and so on, of making the wrong choice about IT infrastructure will only increase in 2023. It is important than ever that CIOs not only get it right the first time, but get it right for the long term, procuring systems, platforms, and services today that are flexible and scalable enough to power growth tomorrow, no matter how markets evolve. This in turn puts the highest premium possible on finding the right cloud partner. Working with the right cloud specialist can instantly bridge the talent gap, give your company the infrastructure it needs to meet the challenges of today's market without prohibitive setup costs. But it should also give you the ability to evolve your cloud technologies at the same speed as your business needs change. So that way you stay one step ahead of the market. We here at Otava have the ability to be able to sit down with you, understand your needs, and help you to deliver what those needs are with respect to digital transformation and cloud here in 2023. If you're interested, please reach out to me for more information, and I'd love to schedule a 30-minute call with you to talk a little bit more about what your needs are and how we can help you achieve your goals in 2023. Happy New Year.